Hello everyone, in today's video we'll guide you through how to make a watermark on CapCut. So if you find this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Let's dive right in. First up, start up by opening the CapCut on your mobile device. Once the CapCut is open, tap on the new project. Then, choose your desired video from mobile device. Then, tap on the Add button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the video is imported to the project, tap on the Add button label as +sign. Next, tap on Photos. Now, select your logo or watermark you wish to add. Once your logo is imported to the project, select the logo track. Then, swipe the menu bar at the bottom. From the options, choose Overlay. This will add the logo track to the front of your video. Next, select the logo track and tap on the blend option from the menu bar at the bottom. After that, decrease the opacity of the logo. Now, adjust the position of the logo where you wish to show the watermark. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to make a watermark on CapCut. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.